Okay, so let's rewrite. So what's going to come first? 2x cubed.
Plus 0 squared.
Ooh, plus 0x squared, right? Because we need that placeholder.
4x.
Plus 4x. All right, so there's our rewrite. Now let's put it in our little box so we can. Okay. So we've got our descending order, and we did have one place value in there. Okay. So we're going to start with that 2x cubed, and we're going to divide it by what? 2x. So the 2x cubed divided by the 2x. No, subtract your, yeah. So then we're going to put the x squared. He's going to go put him above that x squared term. That's why we have those placeholders. And now we're going to do what with the x squared?
Multiply by the 2x.
Multiply it by that 2x minus 2. Okay, we've got to distribute that to both your terms. So 2x cubed minus the 2x squared. Right. And that gets put in here. And then what are we going to do with the 2x cubed minus 2x squared? Yes, so we're going to subtract.
Oh wait, you're left. So that's going to stay positive because of that, right?
Yeah. That'll kick back, yeah. Remember, it'll always kick back another sign. All right, so distribute your negative sign. So the 2x cubed would become negative. However, the negative 2x squared is going to become positive. There's a little change up there. So the 2x cubes cancel out, right? Remember, that is what has to happen. That has to happen. So the 0x squared plus the 2x squared. 2x squared. Bring
down the 4x?
Yes, now bring down the 4x. And we're going to start the process all over again. All right. Okay, so the 2x squared divided by the 2x. And again, just to kind of, again, kind of ignore that step because we're doing this over on the other side, okay? So just kind of ignore that one. What'd you get? You got x. What'd you say, Matthew? Yes, so we got x. So the 2x squared divided by the 2x is x. So that is correct. So that goes, put that above the x term. Put that above your x term.
Wait, what did we do? 2x squared? We divided.
We took our new lead, which is the 2x squared. We took our new lead, which was the 2x squared, divided it by the 2x. Yes?
You put the whole top equation like we do the next step, you put the whole top equation to divide it?
No, just the x, just the new one that you put up there. Good question. Yeah. Okay, so now you're going to multiply the x times the 2x minus 2. So now you're going to multiply the x times the 2x minus 2, distribute it. So that's going to give you a 2x squared minus 2x. All right, and put him underneath. And now we're going to do what? Subtract. So put your parentheses. Make sure you do your parentheses, guys, because You'll always do the first one, but some of you forget that you have that second one there. So distribute that negative, so your 2x squared becomes negative, however, your second one will become positive. So again, what needs to happen is these need to cancel. Do they cancel out? Yes, they do. That's what we want. 4x plus 2x.
6x.
6x.
And then you bring down the negative 1?
Yes. Oh, come on. All right, hold on. Okay, now we're going to bring down that negative 1. We're going to do the process all over again, right? So 6x divided by 2x. So just... Oops. Hold on, guys. So kind of ignore that one. We're doing that one off to the side, so just kind of ignore that. So 3 goes where? And it'll go over the number. Yeah. Now let's multiply it. What's that give you? 3 times your 2x minus 2?
6 minus 6.
Yeah.
6 minus 6.
Okay, so we'll put that right here. And now we're going to subtract. So distribute your negative sign. So 6x would be negative, the 6 would become positive. Yeah.
So you'll be remainder of 5.
Yep.
And then it'll be
So the x is canceled, so it'll be a remainder of 5.
plus 5 over 2x.
Over, yes. Yes.
Over 2x minus 2.
With your plus your 5 over
Right.
the 2x minus 2. Oh, come on. 2x minus 2.
So we don't need to put the remainder anymore, we just write it.
Yes, you do. It goes right here. Here's your remainder.
I know, but we don't separate it, we just put it.
No, you don't separate. Yeah, you just bring them together with the rest of it. Yes, good question. Yes. All right, so let's take a look at this one. It was written, we didn't have to do any rewrites. We divided the x squared by x, which just gave us the x, and then we multiplied that by the x minus 2. X squared minus 2x. Subtract that, and we got a negative 3x. You brought down your 6. Now the negative 3x divided by the x was negative 3. You multiplied that by the x minus 2, which gave you negative 3x plus 6. Then you subtracted that, and this one had a remainder of
0.
0.
So your answer is
Any questions on that one?
I told you.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, so the x cubed divided by the x was x squared, okay? So now we're going to multiply that times the x plus 3. What'd you get?
x cubed plus 3x squared.
And now we're going to subtract. So distribute your negative sign. So that one, they both become negatives, don't they? Oh, they start. Negative and negative. Okay, so this is kind of different, right? Because not only did those cancel, but with this one being a negative, these canceled.
Yeah.
So you actually, your x squared term actually canceled out. So in that case, since that canceled out, you're going to bring down the negative 2x. He will be your lead. Also in this case, you're going to bring down the 2 because remember, you're going to end up with a binomial. Then we do the process again. So we have the negative 2x divided by the x again. And what is that? 2. And then you're going to multiply that again with the x plus 3. What's that give you?
Miss, I thought it was negative x.
He's a happy.
Yes, negative.
Let me get my other, my things. So what do you get when you just multiply that 2? 2x plus, 2x plus what? 6, thank you. All right, now again, subtract it.
See,
This-
John, I told you.
Oh, here's my, yeah, because yeah, well, my stylus wasn't working. Okay, so let's change this. So it's negative 2x minus 6. All right, hold on. Okay. Now let's distribute the negative. So actually they both become what?
Oh, man.
Positive.
Yeah.
So those cancel, but what's this?
8.
8.
Why didn't you put the
Oh yeah, I forgot that. That goes up here.
There we go.
Thank you. Oh, this one's not working either. Say, so plus then 8 over what? Okay? All right, so here's our last one. We took the 15 x squared divided by the 3x, which gave us 5x, which we moved up here. Then we multiply that by the 3x plus 1. Okay. And then we move that over, we subtract that, we distribute that negative sign. So when we distribute that negative sign, this becomes negative, this becomes negative. The x squares cancel. Positive 8, negative 5 is positive 3x. We bring down the 12. Now we take the 3x divided by 3x, which is 1. We multiply that by the 3x plus 1, and we just get 3x plus 1. Let's look at that. We will subtract it. We will distribute that negative sign, so we get negative 3x, negative 1. Add those together. X's cancel, and we end up with a negative 13. So our final answer, right there. So we get the 15x squared plus the 8x minus the 12.